Is there a connection between Christians and Jews who believe in Jesus as their Messiah and Savior? What do you say? As an Israeli Jew who believes in Yeshua, I'd say the answer is obviously yes. And if you are a Christian, I hope you feel the same way. You see, whether you like it or not, once you've accepted Jesus into your life as a Christian, you become a part of something much bigger than the church that so many attend every Sunday. No disrespect. Following Yeshua, the Hebrew name for Jesus, means even more than being the better version of who you are as a person, more than maximizing your human potential. And you, being a wild olive tree, were grafted in among them, and with them became a partaker of the root and fatness of the olive tree. You can go on with your life, remain where you are. After all, there are thousands of miles between you and Israel. So maybe you feel quite comfortable living your life as a wild olive tree. Maybe being cut out of the wild and being grafted into a cultivated olive tree isn't your thing. If that is the case, then you may as well skip what I'm about to say next. But if you look from afar, from where you are now, and you know in your heart that you don't belong on a wild olive tree, then you simply cannot ignore what happens in Israel. Jews who believe in Yeshua and Christians who believe in Jesus are nothing less than a family. We are different branches that belong on the same olive tree. If you look at the facts, you'll see that everything is going according to plan. Jesus came for the Jew, but they have rejected him. So the word about Jesus has traveled to faraway nations, and they have received him. But remember, they also, if they do not continue in unbelief, will be grafted in, for God is able to graft them in again. Now know this, the Jews have been chosen before, according to God's plan, and they will be chosen again to fulfill their role in this world. It is already started. The day is already here. God is not late. Do not be fooled to believe that the plan has been changed, that God has forsaken his people. Do not forget, you did not choose me, but I chose you, said Jesus to his disciples. And you. His disciples were Jewish, and so was his people. Has Jesus made a mistake? Has he chosen the wrong people to follow him? Has God made a navigational error placing Jesus in the worst possible geographical area? No. I'm saying these words to you because I want you to take part in something special. I'm talking to you, Christians all over the world, because I believe too many of you have forgotten about Israel. So I am here to remind you, Jews and Christians belong on the same tree. It may seem like we follow two different religions, but we share the same faith. We are one family. Don't be misled by the Jews who have rejected Yeshua and still refuse to acknowledge him. This is the work of the devil, and it's only a temporary phase, a futile attempt to break and destroy God's immaculate plan. Their eyes may be shut now, as the prophecy says, keep on hearing, but do not understand. Keep on seeing, but do not perceive. Make the heart of this people dull, and their eyes heavy, and shut their eyes. This prophecy has been fulfilled throughout the last 2,000 years. But here in Israel, the beginning of something new is forming. Here at ShelanuTV, we have been privileged to witness an unexpected shift in Israelis' perspective on Yeshua. The name they used to condemn, there is an outburst of interest, an outpouring of comments on social media platforms whenever we mention his name. There's a new generation in Israel that is no longer biased against him. We have never experienced anything like this. It's as if the veil has been lifted and Israelis are finally able to recognize Yeshua for who he really is, not another false prophet, but the true Messiah they have been longing for. I want to invite you, Christians, Jesus' followers, wherever you are, to be a part of this miracle. Don't ignore what happens in Israel. Be involved and play an active role in God's plan. Start with spreading this message if you believe that it's important. We at ShelanuTV in Israel, our purpose is to talk to Israelis about Jesus, to open their eyes to the truth and debunk the false claims that were made in order to turn him, the Jewish Messiah, into an outcast in Israel. But we also want to stay in touch with you, our family members from outside of Israel. We want you to witness what we see and feel the excitement that we experience here in the land. Support our efforts on different media channels. Find us on YouTube at ShelanuTV. Visit our website, ShelanuTV.com, or press the link attached to this video. Follow our content as well on Facebook and Instagram, and most importantly, include us, our work, and the people of Israel in your daily prayers. Do not forget, Jews and Christians may call their religions by two different names, but we share the same faith. Blessings from Israel.